Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a Musical.ly account. So let's begin. First, we'll open up the app. Once you have it open, like the very first page, if you haven't logged in yet, it should give you the option of creating an account. As you can see over there, like on the bottom, just tap on where it says create account. Right? Now, once you get here, there are multiple ways of creating your account. You can either use your phone number, link it with your Facebook, so you use your Facebook information to create the account, or you can use your Instagram to also like open up the account, or just simply use an email. For this video, I'll walk you through the process using an email. So let's begin. And I'll tap where it says email address. All right. Now, once you get here, first tap in put in your birthday. As you can see here in the bottom, just search for your birthday, your birth date, whatever, and let's put a random birthday on it. Let's go back. 87. Okay. So once you have selected the right birthday, so select the month, day, and year. Tap on where it says continue. All right. Once here, this is the step where you're putting in your email address, and let's do. Gmail.com. So once you put in the in email, proper email, like click on where it says continue. All right. When you get to here, this is the step that you're creating your username. All right. And then for my username, let me just call it what? KahindoTech. How about that? For the password, I'll put in password. This is a terrible password, by the way. For a password, usually you want to do about a mixture of letters, numbers, and characters, and put in some capital letters. Actually, let me use that since I'm showing you the right examples. Let's do capital P and then for password, word. All right, and then put in a number and also a character. This makes for a strong password, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Once you have put in your password, click on continue. All right, and then say that you're a human by checking this little box right here. All right, and then it will ask you this little challenge and it's saying select all squares with street signs. So for this kind of things, you just want to select every picture that has the street sign on it. As you can see, like this, I think I got it right, and click on where it says continue on the bottom right corner. I don't know, maybe I got that wrong. So let's try again. Verify. Oh, what? This one's for roads. Oh God. Okay. Select all image with roads. It's a road. It's a road. It's a road. I think that should be all. Jesus, I'm so terrible at this. Okay, this is becoming annoying. Jesus. Bus, and bus. Jesus. That was a very annoying, complicated process. Anyway, once you get to here, you put in your full name. Let me just call it Kahindo. Tech. And then as you can see, the little up above the full name, there's like the little picture symbol. If you click on plus, you can go ahead and put in your profile picture if you want, but I'll do that in other videos. Alright, so let's click on where it says continue. Just skip this step for now. And basically would like to send notifications, blah blah blah. Click on allow. And then see which of your friends are already on Musical.ly. So if you want to find your friends right now, you can click on where it says find by contacts, or you can just skip this step. If you look on the upper right corner, do you see in gray out where it's gray upper right corner underneath the battery symbol? Click on where it says skip, and you can skip this step. Alright, and then it's asking you to find friends via Facebook. I'll just skip again, doing the same thing on the upper right corner. Alright, and there you go. That's how you create an account with Musical.ly. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked that video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. And I have plenty more videos coming up. So once you have uploaded, look at my channel and I'll have more pictures, okay? More videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.